Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own mask with only uh, leggings, an old leggings, whatever color, whatever design you want, and a pair of scissors. No needle, no thread. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up, the leg like this, and I'm going to cut two pieces. Okay, I'm going to cut two pieces like this, and I'm going to cut another piece right here. This is approximately 8 inches across. Okay, so when I do this, I'm going to go ahead and cut another small piece from here, from the pant, from the leggings. So go ahead and cut another small piece from the legging. This is a stretch fabric, and so when you cut this small piece, you're going to use it as the air loop. Once you have cut your small piece, you will go ahead and stretch it. When you stretch it, it's going to form like an elastic. It's stretchy, and it takes its own shape. So it's very neat. It's properly stretched and it's very neat. So I'm going to put the rest of the fabric aside, and I'm going to work with just the two pieces. Okay, so here we go. So you have the piece of the legging, and then you have the other piece that you cut that you stretch. This is going to serve as your loop, right? The loop that goes behind your ear. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it this side, and I'm going to fold it just a little. I fold it just a little, and I just put a few slits right here. So just small holes, okay? So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to give it one last one at the end right here. I'm going to turn the other way around. I'm going to do the very same thing. I'm going to fold it a little and just put some slits. Okay, you're going to cut it for holes. So you cut, So on this end you have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cuts. You're going to make sure you have equal number on this side. So this is going to be a little wider. So we already have 1, 2, 3. We're going to go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1 to the end, which is 9. And so once you have your holes, you will go ahead and cut this piece in two. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this piece in two, and you're just going to use your hand. Just use your hand and thread this cord through. Just use your hand and thread it through. Yeah, use your hand, thread it through. This is it, right here, right here. And then you do the same on this side. On this side, you do the same thing. Go ahead and just use your hand. The holes are big enough to use your hand. You don't have to use anything to push it through. So you use your hand and thread it through. Okay. Okay, we got one more to go. One more to go. Right here. So now you have your two pieces like this. All you do, you just put a knot. You put a knot. Guys, all you're looking for is face protection, okay? You're not looking for style and you're not looking for professionalism. You're just looking for something that is nicely done and can protect you from inhaling the virus. So you just go ahead and you make a knot right here. And you probably just want to, you know, switch it around just to give it a little neater appearance. And then you do the same thing on this side. Go ahead and make a knot. You can adjust it based on what length you need. It's all going to be based on the length of your face from the tip of your nose to for your ear lobe. So there you go. You have a mask that you needed. No needle, no thread. All you needed was a pair of leggings. Okay, that's all you needed, and a pair of scissors. So here you go. Here's your mask. All right. And this is the loop that goes around your ear. Simple as that. This is face protection, right? It's not an N95 respirator, but definitely it has 2 layers and is able to filter, you know, big droplets. So there you go. It's your own face mask with no machine, no sewing machine, no needle, no thread. All you need is a pair of leggings and a pair of scissors. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Thank you.